Yeah? Alright, hang on. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
I'll take a break here.
Yeah, are you going to drive some more?
No, you can.
Can you show me how to go across the bridge? Slow, slow. Slow, slow. Are you going off the road? Stay in the middle of the road, please. How are you doing? You want me to go faster again? Okay, let's put it back in rabbit. Since you're over the bridge. Hey, don't take us into the field again, okay? How'd you turn left to stay on the road? George. Turn left to stay on the road. There you go. Straight again, please. I don't want you to go into the field because I don't want us to tip over. This is your first driving lesson in the mini excavator. Daddy's not helping at all. You're doing it all by yourself. Can you turn left again, please? Thank you. That's where the other pond was?
Now let's go away.
Yeah? Can you turn left more, please? Can you stay in the middle of the big road, please? The other big road. Yes, you do. Try the other hand. Nope, other way. Oh, there you go. All right, straight again. Great. Oh, you went too far. You went too far. Go back the other way, please. Nope, other way, other way, other way, other way. No, 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 no. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, good. There, straight, 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 straight. There you go. All right, turn back the other way, please, to the middle of the road. You were doing really better before.
Yeah.
Do you not know where the road is? How come you're over here? This isn't the road. This is the field. Go back to your left, please. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. No, back on. There you go. Straight ahead till midnight. It's like Peter Pan, right? Yeah. George, you're gonna hit the cone. Stop. Stop. You lose all your points if you hit the cone. How do you turn around the cone? Good job. All right, there's a hole there. Don't go in the hole. How do you get around the hole? There you go. Look at you go.
Yeah.
You're natural.
Yeah.
Do you think you could load compost for me on Saturday and I can take the day off?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sorry, I got distracted by the pretty compost. Oh, good job. Don't fall in the hole, please. See that big cone up there? You see that cone? There's a big hole there. No, not that way. There you go. Feel the machine getting all wobbly when you're on the edge? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Nope, I know. It's easy to get confused in here. Can you press the rabbit button so we slow down? Good job. That way we can be extra careful around the truck and the tractors. Is that a good idea? Yeah. Can you turn left? I think you're going to hit the rocks, honey. Stop. 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 Back up. Go backwards. All the way backwards. All the way backwards. All the way backwards. All right, you got to go that way more. There you go. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes. All right. Yep. Yep. All right, turn to your right. Away from the truck. Okay, go straight. Don't run over Asia's car either. Hey, are you going to the woodpile on purpose?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to run it over. No.
Yeah.
I better back up a little bit. I'm helping you now. All right, go straight, please. Both of them, all the way frontwards. Can you turn left towards the house? There you go. Just a little bit more. There you go. Straight, straight, straight. On. There you go. Don't hit the digger. Not gonna hit it, are you? All right. Can you pull? Can you go left again so we go towards the house? Keep going. There you go. And what did we say? Don't tell your mother. Yeah. You want to spread out the rocks down there? Yeah, I think we're going to have to... Can you stop for a minute, honey? Stop. Good job. Good stop. Thank you. All right, I think that Daddy's going to have to drive for this part down here so we can do the driveway, okay? You want to hold the camera? Hold the camera and make sure you can see the driveway in it, okay? Show the driveway.
Yeah, but I do see the driveway.
Can you see the driveway now?
Yeah, but
Watch your feet.
the first good guy?
That was the guy from Limitless Landscaping, I think. I don't know. I forget. It said on his truck, but I didn't read it fast enough.
But his truck had chairs and wheels, and I don't know what else he had.
Yeah.
That had wheels.
All right. I am hungry for dinner. How about you? Shall we finish this video?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, George, look at me. Say bye.